Hi, so I'm going to show you today how to assemble the Medela compatibility kit with the Freestyle parts with the Youha The One breast pump. So the compatibility kit at Petite Bee comes with the spare parts, the Freestyle tubing, the flanges, and an adapter, as well as the collection bottles. So this set comes separately to the Youha The One breast pump, and this is how it is assembled. So the spare parts are assembled first. So it's important to use the right tubing, otherwise you might get backflow, which is not great for your pump. So you'll get an extra adapter like this, which you can buy separately or it will come with the kit. So you want to have one end in your pump, the other end, so this is the longer end of the tubing, will connect to this adapter, and then this one will go onto the other side, and then you have a double breast pump.